You've probably seen ads for compounded tirzepatide, promising fast weight loss at a lower cost. But is it actually legitimate or something you should be careful with in 2026? If you're considering this option, here's what you need to know before making a decision. Let's start with how these services typically work. Some platforms offer access to compounded tirzepatide, which is the same active ingredient found in certain brand name medications used for weight management. These services usually operate through telehealth. That means you complete an online health questionnaire, and if you qualify, a licensed physician reviews your information and may provide a prescription. In many cases, the medication is prepared by a compounding pharmacy. Sometimes it may include additional ingredients like glycine or vitamin B12. These are often added with the intention of helping with side effects like nausea or supporting energy levels, although individual responses can vary. The process is designed to be convenient. After approval, the medication is shipped directly to your home in temperature-controlled packaging. You'll typically receive everything you need, along with instructions for use. In terms of results, some users report reduced appetite and gradual weight loss over time, especially combined with proper diet and lifestyle changes. But it's important to keep expectations realistic. Results can vary significantly from person to person. There are also a few important considerations. First, cost. Depending on the provider and dosage, monthly pricing can vary quite a bit. Second, since this involves compounded medication, quality can depend on the pharmacy used. And like any medical treatment, there can be side effects, so professional guidance is essential. So, what's the bottom line? These types of telehealth services can be legitimate, but they're not risk-free or one-size-fits-all. It's important to verify the provider, ensure they use licensed pharmacies, and always consult with a qualified healthcare professional before starting treatment. If you found this helpful, feel free to like and subscribe for more clear, research-based reviews. And if you have questions or experiences to share, you can leave them in the comments. It may help others make a more informed decision.